welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and luxurious SUVs on the market, the 2025 Mercedes GLE Brabus 900, a true beast on the road, combining aggressive styling, extreme performance, and next-level luxury. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 GLE Brabus 900 commands attention from every angle. The Brabus-tuned body kit transforms the elegant GLE into a muscular, intimidating machine. The front fascia features a massive carbon fiber grille with the Brabus emblem, flanked by sharper, sportier LED headlights. A custom front bumper with larger air intakes gives the SUV a bold, aerodynamic look. Along the sides, carbon fiber accents and flared wheel arches complement the 24-inch forged Brabus monoblock wheels, making a strong statement on the road. At the rear, a carbon fiber diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and a sleek roof spoiler completes the aggressive design, while the Brabus badging reminds everyone this isn't your regular Mercedes. Step inside, and the interior reflects Brabus' attention to detail and luxury craftsmanship. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leather and Alcantara, with optional carbon fiber raw wood trims based on the buyer's preference. The seats are reworked by Brabus for added comfort and sportiness, featuring custom stitching and embossed logos. Ambient lighting runs through the cabin, providing a premium feel, while the advanced MBUX infotainment system offers a massive touchscreen with seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment features. Every inch of the interior is tailored for luxury, from the heated and ventilated massage seats to the premium surround sound system, creating an unmatched driving environment. When it comes to performance, the Brabus 900 lives up to its name. Under the hood, it packs a heavily modified 4.5-litre twin-turbo V8 engine, pushing out a staggering 900 horsepower and 1,250 Newton-meters of torque. This power rockets the GLE from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds, a mind-blowing for a vehicle of this size. The top speed is electronically limited to 320 km per hour. The Brabus-tuned suspension improves handling while maintaining ride comfort, and the custom exhaust system delivers a deep, aggressive sound that's pure music for enthusiasts. Pricing for the 2025 Mercedes GLE Brabus 900 starts around $400,000, depending on the customization options. It's not just an SUV, but a statement, combining power, luxury, and exclusivity like few others can. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more on NG Auto Review.